Wait. I need to check if my hair is alright or if it's turned into a messy mess.
मोबाइल जिगर का टुकड़ा होता है ये सबका, ये मोबाइल क्यों है ना? So come on audience, can you please show me your mobile phones high once please? Come on, please put it up once for me. Yes, देखो so many mobile phones in this one hall.
Right, and did you see? They have such beautiful covers on them too, just like mine. और covers तो लगाए देना sir, to protect their expensive phones and keep them safe from any damage.
बस यही तो बात है, मोबाइल फोन सबको प्रोटेक्ट करके रखना है, but what about protecting their heads on two-wheelers? Isn't that precious?
Yes, we see so many didis, bhaiyas, aunties and uncles on roads riding scooters and bikes without helmets. That's so very dangerous.
Every year, a significant number of road accidents occur because people don't wear helmets. What good is the stylish hairstyle if we don't have our heads intact to show it off?
Yeah, that's right. Safety should always come first. So, let's make sure we protect our heads with helmets whenever we're on the road. It's not just about style, it's about staying safe and sound.
Exactly. Remember, it's not just about the looks, it's about safeguarding our lives. So let us all promise to prioritize safety over style when we are out on the road. It's cool to be safe.
We would now like to call our friend Akshita and see what she has to say about the upcoming performance.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I am Akshita Paul, a standard 2. Have you ever been on a trek? I also wish to go on a trek with my friends someday because friendship is one of the most precious gifts of our life, and true friends make our life happy and enjoyable. So, coming up next before you all is a story skit by the students of P-Primary named A Jungle Trek, where 4 friends are up for a trek together. I am sure it must be full of adventures. After all, the trek is in the jungle. So, without further ado, let's take you all to the jungle, right from this auditorium.
Four adventurous children happily set out for a jungle trek, enjoying themselves and listening to the mysterious sounds of the wild. This is so much fun. Yes, I'm having a great time too. This is so beautiful. As they ventured deeper, they encountered crossroads. Their excitement turned into heated argument about which path to take.
I think we should go left, as it looks less dense.
No way! Right is the shorter route. Trust me, I read about it. No, we should go that way. It will be more adventurous. Let's not change our path. I think you all should follow me. Oh no, you boring people. Let's go that way for more adventure. All 4 argued and eventually stormed off in different directions, each determined to prove the other wrong. After traveling for some time alone, the children realized that they had lost their way and started to panic. Where are you all? voice echoed in the vastness of the jungle. A friendly monkey swung down from the trees and chattered.
Hey, why so scared, little one?
I can't find my friends.
Don't worry, I'll climb high and swing around. Hang onto my tail and we will find your friends.
I am very tired. My legs are paining. I can't walk anymore. Crying, she stumbled upon a majestic elephant. The wise old elephant asked her, "What's the matter, my dear child?" "I am lost. I had an argument with my friends. Now I cannot walk as my legs are paining." "No need to fear, my child. Unity is strength, you see. Hop onto my back and let me guide you back to your companions." Radha felt a sense of comfort in the presence of a gentle giant. Raju was feeling lost and lonely. Fear crept in as he had encountered a tiger on his way. "Oh no! What do I do? The tiger will feast on me." "Don't be afraid, young boy. What's troubling you?" "I am lost. I wish I had not fought with my friends." "Don't worry, I will help you. My keen senses and courage will guide us to find your friends. You look tired and hungry. You can take rest in my cave. I will bring some food for you." On the other hand, Maya, on her search to find her friends, saw a river at a distance.
I am thirsty. Let me go and drink some water.
As she approached near the river, she saw a swan swimming in the water. Looking at the swan, she remembered swimming with her friends. Maya realized how happy they were together. She missed her friends. We should not have fought.
Why the long face, dear? I cannot find my friends. We fought and got separated. Don't worry. I will tell my friends about it, and we all will help you to find your friends. In friendship, there's unity and courage.
After some time, the tiger was passing by the river. He saw the swan thoughtfully swimming in the river. "What's wrong, my friend Swan? You look so troubled."
I found a child lost in the forest. She was looking for her friends.
"Oh, really? What a coincidence. I met a boy who fought with his friends and is also lost in the jungle. The monkey overheard the conversation and told his animal friends that he has found a child too. Soon, the animal community with unparalleled teamwork managed to spread the message in assisting to reunite the children. The elephant heard this. All the animals communicated amongst themselves to reunite the children. The animals guided the lost children, showing the strength of unity and collaboration. All the children hugged each other as they understood the value of friendship and unity. I am very sorry. I should not have fought with all of you.
I am sorry too. We should have stayed together. I missed all of you. We learned a lesson from the animals.
Yeah, it's so much fun to be together again. They overcame all the obstacles with the elephant's strength, faced their fears with the tiger's courage, communicated effectively with the swan's wisdom, and navigated tricky roads with the monkey's agility.
Thank you so much for your help. We learned from all of you that unity is strength.
The children reunited, having learned the valuable lessons about teamwork, respect and unity. The air was filled with joy, giggles and happiness as the children completed their trek, cherishing the bonds formed and the wisdom gained from their animal friends.
Moral of the story is that life is a celebration. Jeevan